During the winter months, I love to spend time in my kitchen experimenting with soups. Not only are they comforting, but they've been one of my secret weapons over the years for really packing in nutrients while also maintaining and managing my thyroid health. If you're looking for something warm, satisfying, and full of thyroid and health supporting nutrients, you're going to love today's recipe roundup. I've got 12 thyroid-friendly soup recipes to warm you up from the inside out this winter. Hello, Thrivers, and welcome back to Hypothyroid Chef. I'm Ginny Mahar, your thyroid health and cooking coach, and I can't wait to share this collection of thyroid-friendly soup recipes with you. Soups are such a wonderful way to stay nourished during the colder months. I always say that soups are kind of like the salads of winter because they're such a great way to pack in those energy supporting ingredients like quality protein, colorful plant foods, healthy fats. They're hydrating, they're nutrient packed, they're easy to customize for different dietary needs, and they're also really easy to make in big batches so that you always have something thyroid friendly to eat on hand. And for us hypothyroid people who have a tendency to maybe be a little bit sensitive to cold temperatures, soups can be just a really wonderful way to warm up when the weather's chilly. So the recipes I'll share with you today all feature ingredients like anti-inflammatory spices, gut healing bone broth, lots of plant foods. They're all packed with nutrients to support your thyroid, heal your gut, balance your blood sugar, support digestion, and just keep you feeling your best even during the darker and colder months of the year. I'll also share tips today for making these recipes work for your unique dietary needs. Now, all of the soups I'm going to share with you today are gluten and dairy free, and most of them are also paleo and AIP friendly. And the best part is that all of these recipes are available to you for free on the Hypothyroid Chef blog. So I put them all together in a recipe roundup blog post for you so that you can get all 12 recipes in one convenient spot. So just click the link below for the full recipe roundup on my blog. You'll find that link in the description. All right, who's ready to dig in to 12 thyroid-friendly soup recipes? Let's go. All right, first off, Thai chicken soup with coconut milk. So this soup is inspired by that classic soup, Tom Kha Gai. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's sour. It's got coconut milk, lime, lemongrass. But even if you can't find some of those traditional ingredients, I have provided really easy to find substitutions like lime zest, which works beautifully. So this soup is just quick. It's a really easy way to bring those big, bold flavors to your table. Next up, Irish Colcannon Soup. So this is a twist on a classic Irish mash that blends potatoes and greens. So this soup blends Yukon Gold potatoes, leeks, and kale into a creamy, rich, velvety broth. Top it with crispy bacon and green onions, and it's totally irresistible. This one's a really family-friendly favorite in my house, and I think it's just a great way to sneak those greens into a somewhat kid-friendly meal. Next is beef borscht. So this has a razzle-dazzle jewel-toned broth, tender chunks of beef, and detoxifying beets. This soup is as beautiful as it is nourishing, and the rich beef bone broth plus like a little splash of vinegar give it a really wonderful balance and depth, while a secret pinch of caraway seeds adds that irresistible twist. Next up, red lentil rainbow soup. So this soup is a feast for the eyes and the body. It features warming spices, sweet potatoes, and a complete rainbow of other colorful veggies. It's high in plant-based fiber, protein, and antioxidants, and it can be made vegan friendly with a simple swap. Okay, next, Italian sausage minestrone. This is another soup that is absolutely loaded with veggies and my homemade sweet Italian sausage. This recipe is really a lifesaver, I find, for using up all those different odds and ends that might be kind of lingering in the back of the produce drawer. It's super hearty, it's paleo friendly, and it's packed with gut nourishing collagen and protein. I really love making a big batch of this one to enjoy throughout the week and then squirreling away some extra in the freezer for later. Soup number 6, turkey albondigas soup. So the star of this soup are the tender turkey meatballs. They're flecked with fresh mint and they float in this flavorful sea of bone broth that's been infused with sweet potatoes and all kinds of other veggies. This Mexican-inspired soup is as unique as it is nourishing, and it does happen to be both AIP and paleo-friendly. Next soup is Hoppin soup. So I created this one based on that Southern tradition of black-eyed peas, greens, and ham, traditionally said to bring luck if eaten around the new year. This one's gluten and dairy-free. It's also loaded with one of the most nutrient-dense legumes there is, which is black-eyed peas. There's no need to be afraid of beans or legumes if you're not sensitive to them, because most of those so-called anti-nutrients are actually destroyed through the soaking and cooking process. In fact, all that extra fiber is one of the best things that you can do for your microbiome. I've actually included tips in the recipe to help make them as nourishing and easy to digest as possible. Soup number 8, creamy carrot coconut soup. So this super velvety soup combines coconut milk, orange juice, and warming ginger with all those carrots for a bright, sweet, and slightly spicy flavor. So this one's packed with vitamin A, and it's a bright orange bowl of sweet and creamy goodness that is perfect for boosting your energy. Next up, lamb stew with mushrooms and red wine. There is nothing more comforting than a rich and hearty stew, and this one is overflowing with tender chunks of lamb, roasted root veggies, and a splash of red wine for depth of flavor. You could easily substitute beef in this recipe, but this is a gluten-free festive winter meal that I think is perfect for special occasions like St. Patrick's Day. All right, coming up on soup number 10, tomato, sausage, and fennel soup. This isn't just another basic tomato soup. And what gives this its special something is fennel in 3 different forms. So there's fresh fennel, ground fennel seed, and whole fennel that's used in the sausage. And this aromatic soup is full of bold flavors. It's hearty, paleo-friendly, and you can customize this with toppings like fresh herbs or different additions like cannellini beans that'll help add some extra texture and make it extra filling. Soup number 11, split pea soup with smoked ham. This recipe is my rendition of a beloved classic. I didn't mess with it at all. So it combines smoky ham, carrots, and the secret, which is 3 kinds of onions that give this that perfect balance of savory and sweet that we all love with a classic split pea soup. This one is a great go-to when you need just something comforting and gluten-free that everyone will love. Last but not least, my loaded secret ingredient chili. This one is a crowd pleaser, and it features that secret ingredient, which, spoiler alert, is peanut butter. So that adds some richness. It doesn't overpower the flavor. And the great thing about this one is that it's really perfect for entertaining because everybody loves chili, right? And you can customize this with a colorful array of toppings like diced avocado, roasted sweet potatoes, chopped onion, fresh cilantro for lots of gluten-free, dairy-free options. Or you could go the classic cheese and sour cream route for your dairy-loving guests. This is a dish that you can just make the way you want so that it is uniquely yours and everyone at the table can make it uniquely theirs too. So there you have it, 12 thyroid-friendly soups to warm you up and nourish you from the inside out. If you want to try these soups at home, don't forget to head to the Hypothyroid Chef blog for the full recipe roundup, where you'll find all 12 recipes in one super easy to navigate list. Whether you're in the mood for creamy, hearty, spicy, or surprising, there is a soup in this list for you. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these soups that we talked about today are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments or share your favorite winter soups with us. If you're ready to learn more about thyroid-friendly eating, you can download my free thyroid-friendly grocery guide featuring over 130 delicious, colorful, nutrient-dense, and anti-inflammatory ingredients you can use to create your own sensational thyroid healthy soup. So you can download that at hypothyroidchef.com/grocery or find the direct link to that in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you don't miss my next thyroid-friendly recipe or wellness tips. I'm Ginny Mahar, the Hypothyroid Chef, wishing you happy cooking, happy thriving, and the best of health. See you next time.